Folks, HMO Ref right there. Got NS Center.
Shamrock traffic.
NS Center on train 204 Cummins. Northbound past Shamrock. And start this to Mainline, Harrisburg, North Carolina. Remember yesterday, folks, we got this train, he had a nickel plate leading. Looks like junk today. That's what it is. Folks, and that was NS Motor Train 204 heading northbound past CP Shamrock. And I shot this to Mainline, Harrisburg, North Carolina. Thank y'all very much for watching. God bless. 214 to be next. He had crew lolled out back at Junker, and 12 hours. Crew is actually getting taxied back to Junker to get on 214 and take it to Linwood. So we're going right on 214 now. Anyway, thank y'all very much for watching this video. God bless.